And so he left us, knowing that the world he left behind is a much better place for having him in it. The end. Finally, my memoirs are complete. What a blessing. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. You know, a lot of people ask me, how do you make those fancy videos that you post online? Oh, I wish I knew how to just be as creative as Mr. Perich. Well, friends, you're in luck. I'm about to take you on a journey of learning. Come with me. The materials I use to make my videos possible is a Chromebook, but any laptop with a camera will do. You're also going to want Smart Learning Suite. It's free, and you received an email to gain access to it. Screencastify, again, that's free, and you received an email to gain access to it. I use an iPhone, but any smartphone should do. Download the Google Drive app on your smartphone. I use iMovie, but any video editing software should do. And a YouTube account. The first thing you're going to do is go to Smart Learning Suite. Sign in using your work email. Once you gain access to the website, click the green bar that says Add Activities, and then import a resource. Click on your Google Drive to get access to all of your files. The nice thing about this website is you can upload and edit anything that's compatible with the Smartboard software. So any Smartboard documents that you already have on your Google Drive, you can upload to this website and present. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use a regular old PDF. Now that your file is uploaded, you can use the touchscreen feature on your Chromebook to edit your file. To be a little bit more precise, sometimes I like to use a stylus like this one that I bought off of eBay for a few dollars, and it just makes things a little bit more accurate. When you're ready to go, hit the button on the bottom left. Once out, click on the Smart document you want to present and get ready to record. When ready to record, click on the Screencastify icon on the top of your Chromebook. Options will drop down for recording. If you look at the microphone, when you talk, you'll see the green bar going up and down. I'm going to embed the webcam so that you can see my face on the bottom right of the screen while I record. Once you're ready to go, start recording.
We have 2p over 8.
Ugh, blah blah blah, we get it. You're cool and you're handsome. This guy, I'll tell you what. Record your video. When you're done recording, go back to the Screencastify icon on the top right of the screen and stop your recording. When you're done recording, your video will begin automatically uploading to your Google Drive, and you're almost done if you want to be. However, if you want to edit your video on your iPhone, go to the download option at the bottom and click Export to MP4. This is very important. Click the box to adjust your frame rate. This will allow your video to save at a much smaller size, and you can save room on your Google Chromebook. If you don't wish to edit the video on your iPhone, you can use the editor on Screencastify. When your video is done downloading, you're going to automatically see your video pop up in the Downloads folder. If you can't see your downloads folder, go to the launcher on the bottom left of the computer and click on Files. Now take the video you just created and drag it to your Google Drive folder on the left side of your browser. Keep holding that mouse down as you find the file you wish to put your video in, and just let it go. Now that your video is living in the cloud, you can start using your phone. Go to Google Drive, select your video, go to the top right of your screen, click on the three dots, and click the Open In option. It's going to start downloading your video. Once it finishes downloading, you're going to choose the option Copy to iMovie and start a new movie. Spend some time learning how to use iMovie. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to embed text, sound effects, music, and other options to make your video look much better. When finished, hit Done and upload it to your phone. Once your video is saved in your phone, go to YouTube, log in, click on the little camera on the top right, and upload your video. You can give it a name, a title, a description, and bada bing, your video is complete.
Whew, what a sense of accomplishment. Well, I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Wash your hands.